Hi everyone, my name is Jazz and I'm here again with another video walk around for this 2016 Tucson we just got. Let me give you a quick walk around on that. So this is the 2016 Tucson we got as a trade-in. It's got 2 to 3 owners, 2-liter 4-cylinder motor, all-wheel drive. For the condition, it got about 50 to 60% on the brakes and the tires both. It has a key entry, heated seats, backup camera. It's an all-wheel drive. Good condition. Back seats are also heated. Cloth interior. Does have blind spot monitor detector, different drive modes, Bluetooth connectivity. Great vehicle for gas and the interior. The price has been dropped as well. It is now $13,899 plus dock and taxes. So if you're looking for a 4-cylinder all-wheel drive vehicle, just come visit Hyundai and ask for Jasmeet. Thank you.